When you see an iceberg, you see only the tip of the iceberg on the surface of the water, don't we? The achievements of others, their success, their popularity, their achievements, their accolades, their wealth, their money, their fancy cars, their homes, their fancy vacations and holidays is all the tip of the iceberg, what we say. But right underneath that surface is a huge, humongous iceberg, which is unseen to the eyes of the world. The world sees the tip of the iceberg, the money, the popularity, the success, the achievements. What we do fail to see is the huge iceberg underneath the surface of the water. The failures, the patience, the determination, the grit, the courage, the troubles, the struggles, the resilience, the tenacity. All of these is what makes that little tip sustainable and seen to the world as you are now going to embark on your new journey. And as you work on achieving that tip of the iceberg, my prayer today is that may you never forget the unseen. Take inspiration from your heroes, from your role models, from your families, from your teachers, and learn. There's a humongous iceberg underneath that surface of the water that's responsible for the tip of the iceberg to remain there. Remember always, it takes a lot of sleepless nights to become an overnight success. And therefore, here's the first principle that I want to share with all of you today. If you want to get the seen, focus and work on the unseen. If you want the tip to be up there, focus on the huge iceberg underneath the surface. If you want your balloon, the beautiful colored balloon, to soar high up, focus on what's filled inside as well.